Hi! It's 2026 and most individuals feel 2026 will automatically be a great year. But financially successful individuals prepare in advance. Are you that individual? Today I'm here to share 5 financial secrets that will change your money, your momentum, and your mindset. Yes, if you are an entrepreneur, a salaried individual, a homemaker, or a professional, please sit back, have a cup of coffee or tea, and hear the words of wisdom from the Taxman. Secret number 1, there is a new currency that has been trending today. In 2026, your money will not be decided because of lack of skill, but it will be decided because of lack of response. Yes, secret number 1 is your currency is your response time. Response time to what? To WhatsApp messages, to phone calls, and emails. Please remember this, that WhatsApp has completely conditioned us. We WhatsApp individuals and we expect a reply immediately. This applies everywhere, even in businesses today. People do not go for the best professional, they go for the fastest responder. So now let us look at modern communication data. First, a WhatsApp message. It takes 23 minutes on an average for an individual to reply back to a message. A phone call, 1 hour on an average. An email, 12 hours on an average. So what we need to do is we need to beat this time, because low response means lack of trust, lack of opportunity, and in turn you're going to lose money. But if you respond fast means you are going to clear the deals fast, you are going to continue your wonderful relationship with your clients, and these clients will give you more referrals. So in the year 2026, what we are going to do is WhatsApp message, under 15 minutes we are going to reply. A phone call, we are going to respond ideally within 30 minutes. An email within 4 to 6 hours. Yes, we are going to reply, we are going to call back, and we're going to acknowledge every message from our clients, because we understand that 2026, the new currency is your fast response. Secret number 2 is AI in business application. In 2026, if we don't use AI in our businesses, we are going to be behind. Yes, you don't need to learn a code. All you need to do is to learn AI smartly. What we need to learn is ChatGPT for content, for proposals and emails, AI in Excel for analysis and faster calculations, even MIS, AI in accounting tools for faster reconciliation and generating invoices, and lastly AI in CRM for reminders and follow-ups for our clients. Yes, I know a professional office that replaced hours of manual work by introducing AI. Same staff but better productivity. In 2026, AI will not replace people, but it will replace inefficiency. Secret number 3 is we are going to associate with those individuals who earn 5 times more than us. Yes, we need to upgrade our circle. Where are you going to find these individuals? Paid seminars, paid workshops, business networking organizations. These individuals could already be in your clique, but you might not have had that kind of conversation with them. These individuals do not talk about expenses and discounts. These individuals talk about scale, they talk about strategies, they talk about systems. Yes, one communication with them will result into doors of opportunities for you. So in 2026, your inner circle will depend your financial ceiling. Secret number 4 is you need to study finance regularly. And for this, you don't need a college degree on finance. All you need to know is how money works. For basics, you can read these books, The Rich Dad and Poor Dad, which talks about a clear mindset. Then The Psychology of Money, which talks about how money really works. And Let's Talk About Money, which talks about simplified Indian finances. Yes, and you need to subscribe to a channel like mine, which gives summaries of budgets and finance. Also, an important thing that you need to be doing is reading the Economic Times daily. Why? To understand the different interest rates. Second, to understand the different business and market trends. And third, which is very important, is to stay away from policies that affect your loans, investment and taxes. Yes, let's take an example here of two entrepreneurs with the same kind of turnover. Yes, one kept finance regularly up to date and the other neglected. The one who kept finance updated saved a lot of money legally, but the other who neglected finance failed to pay advance tax and GST on time. Please remember that ignorance in finance is expensive. Secret number 5 is buy nothing. True wealth is not about buying, but it's about choosing not to buy. Yes. If we look at our shopping apps and see the things that we have purchased in 2025, we will realize a hard fact that 60% of the items that we purchase in our shopping apps we don't even use today. Yes, we have fallen bait to that 56% discount, one item left or 15 minutes left for the sale. Yes, we need to understand that we have created financial stress not because of our low incomes, but financial stress is caused because of buying unnecessary things that are driven by ego, comparison and instant gratification. Yes, we need to understand a psychological aspect here. Don't buy things to impress others who do not care about us. Second, lifestyle inflation is killing our financial freedom. And true wealth is invisible. But what is visible is buying of gadgets, high-end possessions. So what we are going to do when we are buying high-end possessions in the year 2026? One, we are going to delay that purchase for 30 days. Yes. Second, we are going to ask these questions whether it really brings value to our lives. Is it a long-term value or is it a short-term value? And third, we understand that true finance is behavioral and it's not mathematical. So those individuals who can master buy nothing principle today will own everything in the coming years. We have discussed 5 secrets. Secret number 1 is something that is trending today is your response time. We are going to use AI in businesses. Third, we are going to associate with those individuals who earn 5 times more than us. Fourth, we are going to study regularly finance. And fifth point, we are going to adopt the buy nothing principle. 2026 will decide for those individuals who study, use speed and take smart decisions. If you have liked this video, do share and subscribe my channel. And please comment in the comment section 2026 ready. What is going to decide 2026 is if we act now. Signing off, Lee Farrell, Taxman.